Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 5 driving techniques to make you a better driver. If you want to be a better driver, there are things that you can do right now, immediately after watching this video, to help you improve your driving skills. And that's going to be better and safer for you, for all of your passengers, and for everyone around you as well. Let's get right into it. Number 1, the first thing that you can do is leave earlier. People nowadays are always in a rush, and I myself, I'm a victim of this too sometimes. I am in a rush sometimes, and I notice that the moment that I feel rushed, my driving skills go down to the ground. They become horrible. Everything that I know just goes out the window because I don't think about it. I just think that I'm in a rush. So just leave earlier. Here's the thing. If you leave 5 minutes earlier or 10 minutes earlier for everywhere that you go, then what's going to happen is you're going to just not be in as much of a rush, which is going to make you a better driver. You're going to be a safer, more effective driver. You're going to make better driving decisions. And if you want to maximize your time, then leave earlier and just do something while you're waiting. Like instead of leaving for work right on time, leave 10 minutes earlier. And when you get to the parking lot of your work, well, take out your phone and do some work on your phone for 10 minutes. This way you left earlier, you got to work earlier, you weren't as rushed, and you still got the same things done because you ended up working in the parking lot instead of at home before you left. The second thing that you can do, the second driving technique, is to always signal. I cannot tell you the number of drivers that I see not signaling while they're driving, and I can never understand it. Why? It only takes a moment. Why would you not use your signal? Using your signal lets every other driver know what you plan on doing. It really makes you a much safer and better overall driver, and it's literally like, it just takes a second. Not even a full second, like a moment, a fraction of a second to activate your signal. And if you're making a complete turn, usually your signal will deactivate by itself. So it's as simple as that. Always signal. You will be a better driver. The third driving technique that you can use and do and demonstrate is to practice your skills daily. Now, I have been driving for quite a number of years, and I consider myself to be a pretty good driver, but I still practice my skills daily. I reverse park all the time. I parallel park all the time. I do everything that I need to do all the time. When I'm changing lanes, I go over the procedure properly for changing lanes. All the time I practice my driving skills. I'm constantly assessing who has the right of way and whether another driver made the right decision as to thinking they had the right of way when meanwhile it was, let's say, this driver's right of way. So I'm always assessing and practicing and going over my driving skills and my driving knowledge, and I feel like it makes me a better driver because of that. So you need to really practice your driving skills daily. Literally as often as you possibly can, you want to practice your driving skills. The fourth driving technique that you can do to make you a better driver is to get uncomfortable. Now here's the thing, the driving skills that you are uncomfortable with are usually the ones that you need to improve on. If you don't feel comfortable parallel parking, then that probably means that you're not the greatest parallel parker. And you should try to be one of the best parallel parking people, or at least the best that you can be. So get uncomfortable. Now I'm not telling you to do something unsafe. Like don't get uncomfortable and go above the speed limit if that makes you uncomfortable. Don't do that. I'm talking about getting uncomfortable while still remaining safe. Do the driving skills, practice the ones that you're not great at, that make you uncomfortable. It will help you be a better overall driver and a safer, more effective overall driver. Last but not least, the fifth driving technique that will make you a better driver is to steer smoother. Most people, even when they've had their license for 20, 30, 40, 50 years, they struggle with steering smoothly. Their steering is still a little bit aggressive, a little bit jumpy, where they're like pushing the wheel between the hands. They don't know exactly the degree to turn the wheel and so forth. The best way to become a smoother steerer is to actually practice. So literally, go out on the road, on side streets when there's no traffic, during odd daytime hours, and make 50 right-hand turns and 50 left-hand turns, and try to focus on making those turns as nicely and smoothly as you possibly can. What you're gonna do is you're gonna notice the areas that you sort of mess up on, the areas that you struggle with, and one of those is probably gonna be smooth steering. So instead of just accepting it, practice it until you get much better at it, and then you will be able to steer smoother, which will make you an overall better driver. And that's it. Those are 5 driving techniques to make you you a better driver. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.